Hello teachers, in this video what I am going to tell you, I have already recorded or posted two videos on the QOB software. So it is the third video, and in this video what I am going to tell you, how can you create your class activities in your classroom. So what will be the class activities? Probably what it will be, it's up to you, whatever you want to make, or what however how many activities do you want to create it. But for example, in my own classroom, what are the class activities were? So assignments, quizzes, there were three assignments, three quizzes, and one midterm activity, and third one is the final exam activity. So I have to create it in my classroom. So how can I do that? So let's start. How can you do this? So for example, this is my classroom and this is my engineering mechanics section A classroom. So I have to click on it, and what I have to go, where I have to go is that you can see current classroom, view classroom, CLOs, PLOs, reports and assessment marks. So you have to click on this button, and then you can also say it's a tab. Then you have to click on the class activities. So what you have to do, you have to go into the add class activity. You have to click on the add class activity. So when you go there, so what you have to do, for example, first I want to create assignment activity. So when I click on it, so there were so many activities over here. For example, assignment, final exam, final year project, lab exam, lab manual, midterm exam, online quiz, presentation, project work, lab work, classwork, quiz, studio, viva. So whatever you want to select it, whatever the activity you want to select it, so you can do it. For example, I have to create class activity for my theory class, not for the lab right now. So I am going to produce or create assignment activity, and the first activity is assignment number 1. And when I have taken this assignment, so let me check out the date on which date I have taken this. This is, I have taken it 24th of August 2020. So let me click on this date, and what I have to do, I have to click on the August, and then I have to click on the 2020. It is already there, so no worries. And then I have to go to the date 24th of August. So you can see the date is changed right now. And what I am going to do, I have to put the marks over here. So the marks for the assignment was 3 GPA weight. So I am going to the sub activities. I am going to write it down, assignment number 1 here. Maximum marks was of 3 marks here, and let me put it on. And what was the CLO? It is CLO1 mapped with PLO1, CLO1. So CLO1, you can see I have already add all the CLOs of the theory class and the lab class. So right now you can see there is a theory class CLOs. So I have to click on the CLO1, and complexity will be what, level 1. So WP depth of, you can also say the PLO1. So WP1 depth of knowledge required. And what you have, if you want to write down the question here, you can write it down. If you want to choose file, if you want to add assignment to here, so you can also do that. So how can I do that? I will click on the choose file, and where I have to go, I have to go on the desktop, and I will see where I put these assignments. So let me search it out. Where are these assignments right now? So here it is. So I have to click on the assignment file, assignment number 1 question I have given in this assignment, and this is a docs file. If you want to upload PDF files, so you can do it as well. And what you have to do next, you have to click on the save button. So I will click on the save button, and it will get started to loading. So the engineering manager cannot only files with these extensions are allowed. So what can we do? We have to upload those files, JPG, GIF, PNG, PDF. So let me do that. What I am going to convert my Word file into a PDF, or you can say JPG. So let me convert it into the PDF. So let me click on it. How is it going on? Now, what I have converted all my files into the PDF for the assignments. So right now what I am going to do, I am going to choose file, and where I have to choose my file, I put all the files on the desktop. So let me search it out where I put it. So then I will tell you how can you do that. So for example, I am searching it out where is on the desktop. These are the PDF files. So this one, assignment number 1. So I will put it here and then I will click on the save button. Or you can also say that it is, I have to click on the save tab. So you have to upload it like this. You can see over here that the assignment is created. If you want to do some edit, so what you can do, it is written over here 1% of undefined. So it is not defined. Let me check it out. 1% it is giving, and what it so. So you can save it again and then see it is 1% of undefined. Okay, I will add a total of 100 marks, so it will become okay. So right now we have created the activity of assignment number 1 and its marks is 3. So now I'm going to create another assignment activity, that is assignment number 1. So how can I do that? So I am going to add class activity. So if you want to add all the 3 activities under the umbrella of assignment, so you can also do that. So what I have done, assignment number 2 here, and when I have taken this assignment, so let me tell you when I have taken it. So let me check it out. So I am going to click on the button and I am going to see on which date I have taken. It is on 25th of September I have taken this. So I am going to put the date of 25th here. How can I do that? September. So I have to click on the September 2020 and it is on 25th September. So I have announced this assignment on 25th of September. And one more thing I have to see, what I have to check it out on which uh, what is the marks of this assignment. So it is also of 3 marks. So I will write it down 3 marks over here. This is assignment number 2. This is assignment number 2. So done. And then what you have to do, you have to select the CLO. So which CLO it has, it is CLO3. So I have to click on the CLO3 and it is mapped with what? PLO2. So I will select WP2 here and let me choose the file from, because I have already made this PDF file. So how can I do that? So I am going to my desktop. I put assignment over there. So I have to click on the assignment number 2. And when I have clicked on the assignment number 2, so then I have to go and click on the tab of save. So let's see what will happen. Now it is also created. GBA is not produced right till right now. When we will add it later on, so it will be defined. So right now we are just creating the activities for the assignment. So now we have to create another activity for assignment number 2. No, it's assignment number 3. Oh, sorry. And then what is the date of the when it was I have taken this assignment. So let me check my date, on which date I have given this assignment, and its date is of 12th of October. It is announced on 12th of October. So let me tell you 12th of October. So I have to click on the October and it is announced on 12th of October. So I have to click on the 12th. So now it contains 4 marks because total marks of the assignment is 10, and we have taken 2 assignments on 6 marks, total of 6 marks. So right now it is 4 marks because 4 marks were left. So I am writing here assignment number 3 right now, and it belongs to the CLO2 obviously, because we have to touch all the CLO. So it belongs to the CLO3 2. And then what I have to do, I have to select the file also here because I want to upload my assignment here as well. So what I have to do, assignment number 3, it's a PDF format and I have uploaded over here, and now I have to click on the save tab. I have to click on the save tab. Oh, I forgot to click on the PLO. So let me edit it. You can see over here, there is a pencil sign over here, first one. So you can click on it. So when you click on it, so you can see over here that it is belong to the PLO2. So it is belong to the PLO2. Let me save it. So you can also change it as well. So it, as GPA is not defined, we will define it later on. So right now we are just creating the activities. So you can see over here how can you create the activities in the add class activity. So right now I'm going to what I am going to create an activity of quizzes as well. So now this is quiz number 1 and I have to check it out. What? I have to check it out what? I have to check it out on which date I have taken this quiz. So I am going to search it out. Where did I put my quizzes? So obviously it is not visible to you, but I can see. So I have to see my quiz date. So on which date I have taken that quiz? I have taken that quiz on 2nd of September. That was quiz number 1. 2nd of September means I have to click on the September tab and then 2nd of September. So this was taken on 2nd of September and the marks of the quiz was 3. So maximum was 3 quiz marks and it is quiz number 1. Quiz number 1. So CLO, which CLO it belongs to? It belongs to CLO3 and PLO2. CLO3 and it is with the PLO2, range of conflicting requirements. So I am moving and now I have to choose the file, but my Word file is not converted into PDF. So let me share the screen again here. How can I convert it? So let me share it. So this is my quiz and I am going to convert it. How can I convert it into PDF? So I will click on the file tab and then go to the save as. Save as, for example, I'm going to save as on the desktop. So I will click on the desktop and the file name remains same and it will be PDF. I will click on save as type PDF. PDF and you have to click on the save tab. So it will be saved as PDF. So let me share again. New slide is here. Now it is converted into PDF. So you can see the file is converted into PDF. So let me close it. And what I am going oh my god, screen sharing is stopped. So I am going to share the screen again. And what I am going to do here, I am going to choose the file here and I am going to click on the quiz tab, quiz, and where is the PDF file, and this is quiz number 1. So I have selected this and I will click on the save tab. And when I click on the save tab, so it will become, this activity will be created. So you can see there is a quiz number 1 and it has 3 marks. So you can see over here I have created the activity of quiz as well. Now I am going to create another activity of class activity quiz 2, quiz 3. So how can I do that? So teachers, I already told you how can you create the assignment activities and quiz activities. Now we are going towards the second quiz activity, going to create second quiz activity. How can we do that? We are again going to the add class activity and we are going to click on quiz. Where is the quiz? This is quiz and this is quiz number 2. And on which date I have taken this quiz? So I have taken it on 28th of October. So what I have to do, I have to click on the October and click on 28th. And this is the date and total marks of that quiz was are 3 marks. So I will put 3 here and this is quiz number 1. Quiz number 2, sorry. I have already uh, made class activity of quiz number 1. So now I have to connect with the CLO and which CLO it is connected with, it is of CLO1 and it is associated with CLO1 and mapped with PLO1. CLO1. So CLO1 is this is PLO1 and we have to add or choose file here. So what can I do that? I will click on the choose file tab and I am going to what? I am going to do what? This is going to be quiz number 2, and I will click on the open tab, and now I am going to save it. So let me save it. So this is, let me, it's uploading, so wait for a while. So now this is quiz number 2. This activity is also created. Now I'm going to again create the activity, class activity for the quiz, because I have taken 3 quiz. So I am going to click on the add class activity, and then I am going to do what? I have to take quiz. And you can also write it down, click on the online quiz, you have to select it. You can take online assignment as well. So right now I'm just going to click on it, quiz. So this is quiz number 3, and on which date I have taken this quiz. So let me check it out. So I am going to open my quiz number 3, and I will check its date when I have taken this quiz. So I have taken this quiz on 25th of October. So I have taken this quiz on the 25th of October. So I have to go and click on October, and the date was 25th of October. So how much the mark does it contain? It marks 4 marks, so it is of 4 marks. So I have to click on, write it down, quiz number 3, and maximum marks was of 4, and it is associated with CLO2 and math with PLO1, CLO2 and math with PLO1. So I have to click on here, and I will click on CLO2, so, and math with PLO1. So let me check it again. This is a map with PLO1. So PLO1, WP1, and now I have to choose the file to upload it here. So click on choose file. So I am going to do what? What I am going to do? It's evening, where I put my quiz number 3. So I will click on the quiz number 3, and I have selected my quiz number 3, and then click on the save tab. So all the quizzes, assignment, activities are created up till here. You can understand it hopefully, and it will be clear to all of you. You have added all the class activities of assignment and quizzes here up till now. So the next step, and in the next video, hopefully I will tell you how can you add midterm activities. Because midterm was having 3 questions, so I have to create sub activities in that. And for the final exam, obviously I cannot create separate activities, or you can say individual activities for the final exam for final questions. So I have to make single activity for the final exam and midterm. And how can I do that? So stay tuned with me, subscribe my channel, and keep watching it. I will tell you how can you upload or add class activities of final exams and midterm exam on QOBE software. So hopefully up till now, take care, stay safe, keep wearing mask, and hopefully you will enjoy your work. Thank you so much, and hopefully this video, it will be also helpful for you. Thank you so much. Bye bye.